Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a raglan sleeve t-shirt to fit 10-inch dolls like Skipper and similar sized dolls. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download this free printable sewing pattern. There's a helpful link in the description below this video on YouTube. Use the pattern to cut out all the pieces shown. Lay one of the backs on top of a sleeve. For printed fabric, you want to keep your right sides together. Stitch along the seam from collar area to underarm as you see here. Lay the front piece on top of the sleeve like you see me doing here. Again, stitch along the connecting seam area from underarm to collar or from collar to underarm, just like we did before. When you open it up, it should look like this. Lay the other sleeve on top of the front piece. Connect these pieces the same way we did before. Open it up and it looks like this. Flip it over so you're looking at the right side. Lay the back piece over the sleeve you just attached, just like you see me doing here. Attach this back piece just like you did all the other ones, stitching from collar to underarm or from underarm to collar. Now, when you open it up, it should look like this. Lay the collar against one of the back pieces. Attach the collar starting at one back piece and sewing all around the collar area from your sleeve to the front to the other sleeve and then to the back. Make sure you're sewing right sides to right sides if it matters. Now your garment should look like this. Hem the collar starting at the back piece by folding the back's raw edge once and then again, and folding the collar once and then again, like you see me doing in this video clip. So you fold the back again, you fold the collar, you fold the collar again. Use a whip stitch to finish hemming the collar. Do you need help with the whip stitch? There's a tutorial for that. Look in the links below this video on YouTube. When you get to the other end of the collar, fold the back's edge twice again, just like we did before, maintaining that double fold hem. We'll finish double fold hemming the back part of the garment later. Now your garment looks like this. Lay the garment down with wrong sides up. Double fold the end of one sleeve. Use a whip stitch to hem the sleeve. Hem both of your sleeves. Now your garment looks like this. Turn it over so you're looking at the right side. Fold the sleeve in half, resting the back against the front. Sew from the sleeve's hem to the underarm and from the underarm to the bottom of the shirt. Follow the same steps for the other side. I recommend using matching thread. My thread is the opposite color so you can see it more easily. Finish the double fold hem from the collar, down the back, across the bottom of the garment, and you want to keep your side seams open as you go, and then up the other back to the collar. Now your garment looks like this. Invert the garment. A little tip, I find it helpful to use a chopstick to kind of poke out the sleeves, and you'll see me doing that right here. Add some snaps as a closure. Now you're ready to try the shirt on your doll. Skipper is so adorable. For more free printable sewing patterns, for making clothes for dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It really helps my website grow if you spread the word. Goodbye.